something seems to emerge from its body. On closer inspection, we can see that its web is gradually becoming longer and longer. It's almost like a robe fluttering in the wind. This, in fact, is the true nature of the giant web that gave the blanket octopus its reputation as a legendary monster. Originally, the membrane was wrapped around its arms, just waiting for a threat like this. In total, the web is about 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. This is a photo of a blanket octopus with its web fully extended. Normally, this web is wrapped around the 2 arms on each side.